As you can see, the LUMIX S5IIX is perfect for the streamer that wants everything, as well as video producers, both commercial professionals and run-and-gun videographers. But let's not forget, this camera takes incredible stills photography as well, making it perfect for the general hybrid creator who wants a little bit more. The S5IIX takes everything you love about the S5 Mark II and gears it right towards the video creator with some incredible high-end video features, like a range of industry standard codecs, direct to SSD recording, no recording time limits up to 6K, and anamorphic support features, as well as powerful direct-to-platform streaming capabilities matched with features like real-time LUT, the ability to multicam live stream, all packed in a stylish new design and lightweight body. This all makes the S5IIX an incredible and exciting new addition to the LUMIX lineup.